Ano ba ha?
Oh, kuya.
Lamig.
Narang puli kiniki di ba na bagi advertisement?
Balay sila penjenjari la di. Papinyin kerpang kini. Like link bang kasyulong advertisement.com. Pinyo buat kijing pedla. Bat kiberta kishula. Link bang kasyulong advertisement.com.
Oh, tama. Bilay si Bon.
Unong yalam ko All India Trinamool Congress AITC kabadan nakaliang persa chong kayeng dorbar thawan ka jala Meghalaya u Dr. Mukul Sangma ulakan tui ka Sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance MDA ban pynduh ya ka ain khalai lani ka Meghalaya Regulation of Gaming Act arajarat way uni unong yalam kaliang persa bat menteri rang ba barim ka jala ulo ong ladak Sarkar bamenta kamla ban pynduh nakaliang ka AITC ka sa pynduh hi hadien ka eleksyon arajarat pulai dang papan pau ba ka Meghalaya ka de ban long ka jala pau nam nak benta ka puli puti om nak benta ki kam khalai ya ka gaming act bala manjur dak sarkar jala la persa dak ki kunhun ba per nadu ka Meghalaya United Christian Forum ka hinyo trap youth council bat kumjuru nak sengsain perthai HSPDP ka bete lang ha ka sarkar MDA.
The name and fame and the legacy of Shillong and Meghalaya revolves around this whole reputation of Meghalaya being an educational hub and destination for education, and of which we are proud of. I'm really disturbed when somebody is going to say that, okay, my state will be a destination for gambling. They should have fear for God. You understand what is the other collateral damage that it can have. I was quite astonished to see the statement of the government. Look, this whole gaming destination that they are allowing in the state of Meghalaya is regulated by some rules which will restrict the residents of the state of Meghalaya from entering into the premises where there is casino license. It is only for the tourists and residents of other states. Which are the other states? You have the long border with Assam, and you have so many states in the country. Why? You have a reason which can be explained by the people in government. Why? Obviously, they are trying to convince the people of the state that, look, it is going to be regulated in such a manner that the residents of the state, including whoever, will not be allowed to enter the premises, but only people coming from outside, the tourists. That means it is not advisable for people to go there. Okay? It is not advisable for the residents of the Meghalaya to be there. That means it's not a place which is good enough for people to go. You have to understand from the context of their explanation itself. Now you want to compromise your neighbor's way of life. I think Hemanta Biswa Sarma, the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, should have reacted when he said that no, it is not for the residents of Meghalaya but only for the residents of other, including Assam. So what is going to happen to the families in Guwahati? That is a big question. The Chief Minister of Assam is not aware of what is happening. He is just close to Guwahati border. So he is, for God's sake, withdraw from this approach to unnecessarily brand the state of Meghalaya as a state which provides activities which are not acceptable to our ethos, society and culture. No, it should not be. We see their determination. Determination for whose interests? Against strong opposition coming from all corners. Why? We don't want Meghalaya to be branded. We don't want Meghalaya to be infamous by becoming a destination for gambling and all other associated vices and unacceptable activities. which becomes natural collateral activities along with this kind of gaming destinations, with this kind of gambling destinations. They are saying that no, it will be only for the rest of the world. It is like in your house, you want to give 2 rooms for someone to come and do all nonsense and say that no, I am not doing anything, but others are doing that. It is as bad as that. So Meghalaya has to be known as a destination where parents will be comfortable enough to send their children for pursuing their education. Which parents will look at Meghalaya to send their children to study in Meghalaya if it is known as a destination for gambling? Hello, I'm sorry. Which parents? Not me. Which parents from outside the country will send their children to study in Meghalaya? When you know that, okay, many other unwanted activities are allowed in the vicinity because of having this gambling destination. It's unacceptable and against the kind of brand that we want to build this state with. Branding of our state should not be based on this kind of activities which will suit the greed of politicians. We are urging the government to scrap this agreement that they have claimed to have signed. Scrap this agreement, terminate this license, and if they don't do, we will do it after election.